In the inner pot, I have a cup of water and a small trivet. Then I placed one ramekin in. I stacked my larger trivet and put the second ramekin on top. It cooked very well this way. Make sure that your valve is closed, unseal, and I set it to 8 minutes of high pressure. It then sat for 3 minutes just because I was off doing something, and I did a quick release of pressure, and I took my crumbles out. I like to caramelize the top of these in the oven, so I placed ours in on high broiler heat for 7 minutes. It gave more of the traditional crisp as if we baked it in the oven for near an hour, but it was so much quicker to do it in the Instant Pot. Man, I each shared one of these with our kids. Everyone loved it.